Any equipment-wise, anything going down in the store, I take care of the POS systems, computers, phones. Gilbarco has been very good for us. The software's been pretty reliable, durable.
I had a background as a consultant, so I used a lot of different POS devices out in the world. When we went to pick our new POS devices that we wanted to run forward with over the next 10 years, it was really easy when you balance price and performance to go look at Gilbarco passports as an option for us.
The Gilbarco POS is very user-friendly. It's not hard to train. It's getting more and more robust, which is a good thing.
If they come in your store and they can't get what they want, they'll go to another store. If you have that support from Gilbarco, if you call and they fix your problem right on the spot, it makes your business run smoothly.
With Gilbarco, they're speedy. Response times are good, unlike other companies.
We get the best of service, plus we get the value, and we get a solid performer that's going to last us for the decade that we buy equipment for.